yabonetse we n'umusabiriza kazi hari imodoka zasesekaraga ushaka n'uwitwa Tongo nakubwiye ni Parisagonde urashaka udufilime twa Parisagonde sangwa Mr. Tongo apayo Hansan Cantonese avuga ikirimi cyo muri Canton Tushi Shingi abo bose ngaba bagabo bose nabo muri Canton ni mu Bushinwa Cantonese bavuga Cantonese language kugira ngo bamenye kuza ibintu umuntu nakubaza ngo se ikirimi cy'abashinwa cyitwa ngo cyuzahita umubwira cyitwa Canton iyo ni tekinike yinjiye umugabo ashakaga
Out of the way. I only want to sell you a flag for the old people. What's the matter with you? Okay.
Wait.
I want to buy one. Didn't you hear what the boss said? You can pay me what you like. It's up to you, sir. What the hell's going on?
It's just
a girl setting flags for Flag Day, don't worry.
Boss yahigereye. Boss mugabo ararinzwe. Mr. Tongo. Kombe dore wa wundi cyane umwe waje Parisagonde. Kiravugwa n'icyo wabo Cantonese bacaho bagomba guhura nawe hakuno niyo shipment yabo yanyuma ari undi muntu utazaho yaturutse mwibuka mba polisi ni yarambye ntabwo aziye mu gusa twakomeje kumubona yisirisimbye hano ninde kuri kintu narebe hakuno nibo bagomba guhura abagabo nibo baba
Right, you can move in once they exchange the money.
bagiye guhura hari ibyo bagiye kugurana mwitonde kandi mwirinde bamunzira karagahiritse karagwa ni munli okereka ngufasha polisi kazi uri mu polisi karatangaye kabona n'imbunda kagakobwa gasabiriza bano wari wagafashije maze agaha ibifaranga nibo bahuye ba mu kirere ya basi nambara yatangira kagakobwa gakoranga kandi polisi kamwatse imbunda munangiribwe mutangire none ahangaha abo bagabo tugomba gufata niba bacike none akandi mbikore aya basi agakobwa karongera kararasa watugambaniye gicucu ntabwo ari cyo ni polisi basi polisi barayiha ni Parisagonde dore moto batararangiza ibyo barimo
Don't fire, it's too risky.
Mwirasa ni bibi cyane Nyakuba arategetse it's an order arategetse nibogera kurasa arabatasanya barinze hano policeman on duty go abagabo kumbe hunde wakomeze simbyano nawe yagiye kuba polisi arakubita ninde kurikina rebe bagarawe mama ibintu byose ni Parisagonde dore abagabo dore umukobwa ni Parisagonde ni umuvuduko kuba wa basi Chano Alex Mani aligisasa arimo gukiza uyu musaza ninde kurikina rebe barayora yirukanse wonyine nta mutabaza afite ni parasegonda, ni ku masegonda, ibyo bakora byose ni ku masegonda. Umukobwa yaje n'umupolisi kazi. Yo dore moto ni mu mujyi hagati umurinzi barayora dore ntambara niba mwaye umupolisi bose baramujya sinzi ducaye igisanduku hakurya nawe amucishaho acaho n'uyacaho nicyo gihe nako kanya ivarisi arongera arayifata.
Stop! Stay there, you! Quick, up there!
Akunino! Alex Money ni indwanyi kuva kera we ni indwanyi. Ni muri maraso. Yirukanse wenyine. Igikobwa cyamumezeho. Katurore. Hagarara we! Reka ndikirage. Acaho. No hakuna caho. Utangirire hakurya no hakuno.
Get down there!
Wiki! Jayo! Arerekera. Ni babiri baracyacika polisi. Umwe arimo aracikisha undi. Uyakora nk'aho batazanye. Kumbe hakuno nabo babezeho n'ubu ntago barashaka kubavaho. Only. Gakobwa katangiye gutangira. Menya nakari kamwe mu byihe. Gatabara umusaza. Karimo karatabara umusaza wa wundi tongo polisi yendaga gufata. Suko mutabara musakara kubitana bamurinze. Ho!
Get out of the way!
Vemo nzira cha. Parasegonda. Barayora ni parasegonda. Chichao. Ha. Ho. Hey. Devo antas abayizi basekira. Umwe yari magenda n'umusaza bari bakomeje. Niturenga. Barongera bavayo. Polisi yatangira impande zose. Ho. Dore gakobwa. Dore mukobwa. Gikobwa ni cyandera gucano. Ho. Sinzi. Polisi itari yakurikira abantu umukobwa arongera atangira. Arongera aratangira. Imodoka igomba kwavana yari ihageze. Ugira sha murebe ko rushamwe agira batagira. Kumbe baragize. Karishimye bacitse. Ko kagakobwa kasabirizaga. Nakubitaga polisi ku rundi ruhande kagakubita n'ibyihebe. Bikabwiye iki nibyo tambaza. Kageze hakuno kabara udufaranga kamaze kubavanamo. Nyakatabaraga bitewe n'impamvu zuko bagaye inote. Kumbe umwe muri Cacekasha. Nakubaba umupfuna pfuna.
I didn't ask you.
Sinakubajije.
The whole operation has been ruined by your incompetence.
Operation yose yangirijwe no kubera ko mutari mufite ubumenyi. Bishoboka.
I've seen some idiot cops in my time. But you two girls really take some beating.
Byose byatewe namwe.
We couldn't have known that would happen, sir. It wasn't our fault.
Ntabwo byatewe natwe ntabwo turatsuka biri.
Try to get out of it. Someone took a gun.
Hari uwo mwata.
I'm shooting it.
Atangira kurasa. Ibyaha biratandukana.
Sorry, sir.
Ihangane nyakubahwa. Sorry. Ihangane byihangane.
Get out.
Musohoke.
Get out!
Musohoke!
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubahwa. Uyu batse imbunda we yarize yahuguye. Ka telefone. Uyu nawe bashaka raporo. Bumvisha amasasu uyu munsi.
Guess what?
Yego.
Sir.
Nyakubahwa.
Yes, I know.
Ndabizi nyakubahwa.
Their fault. I'm responsible, sir.
Byose byatewe nanjye nyakubahwa.
Sorry, sir.
Yego nyakubahwa ihangane.
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubahwa.
Sir.
Nyakubahwa.
Can we give him another chance?
Wama ni mahirwe.
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubahwa.
Thank you, sir.
Urakoze rwose urakoze. Bwana. Basi. Abakuru nawe baramuhamagara. Hey. Abakuru nawe baramuhamagara. Kumva abagabo baba hakuno bamwe bayendaga kugura bagasa naho bitobwa na polisi. Bongeye bahuye.
Mr. Han's unhappy. He thinks you two blabbed to the cops about the deal.
Nyakubahwa wango ntabwo yanezerewe bitewe nuko ibintu byose mwabijambije. Ntabwo ari tongo ni
No,
wango.
that's ridiculous.
Biratangaje.
Why do that?
Ntabwo twabikora.
We go back a long way.
That's quite...
Twaturutse kure tuje gukora akazi ntabwo twagambana.
But you see, my boss is really mad.
Boss
You know
yarangaye.
what he's like.
no kwihangana.
So then, what does he want?
None dukora iki?
Well, he wants you to give him a better deal on this shipment to compensate.
Arashaka kugira ngo amenye neza niba muzakorana ubutaha mugakorana neza.
He's joking.
Akina.
Mr. Han's not known for his sense of humor.
Ntabwo
I think...
ariko rwose ateye. Agira atekereza nk'umuntu. Ndakeka ari tuzongera dukorana ubutaha. Banze ko bakorana kuri iyi nshuro. Uyu niwe murinzi we yitwa Shing. Shing ahita caho. Boss navuganye nabo ni uje kumuvugira mu kimbo cye. Umwanya we. Tugarukaho hakuno. Umwe muri babasaza bari bagiye kugura na hongo. Umwe yasaga na hari hakuno nima natongana. Nagaryeje.
And he's one of his lackeys to negotiate.
Ari ninjye wowe wajya kumvikana nawe neza. Kumbe Alex man ni ugenda gatumira isaza yarangiza akajya no kuririndira rijya ngo rigiye kurwanira. No kurira ibyo rigwa.
Afraid of him.
Simbatinya.
Hey, Dad. Look, we've got a legal business.
Umva turakora business
These
itemewe.
risks. But there's
barimo kubura ubuzima.
nearly all my life. I'm not afraid.
Ntugire ikibazo ntabwo bamfite.
Doesn't afraid.
Nanjye ntabwo bamfite
For
papa.
that.
Kumbe ni naso.
You'll be late for the meeting, okay?
Ndakeka ndaza gukererwa mu nama gusa mu gihe kitari icyakuru ugomba gusubirayo sibyo?
Just trying to get so mad, okay?
Papa icyo ufite ni ugutuza gusa.
That makes my blood boil. What is
Mwana
it?
wanjye ntugire ikibazo. Ni umwana na
Hey, don't let the man get to you, okay?
mu gihe kitari icyakuru batani yamubwira byinshi umusaza baramurashe. Baramurashe. Baramurashe ku mwana we. Mwana we yarahari nibo bakora ibintu bitemewe n'amategeko umwana gusa barindiye se ataho bagabo bari hano bishe se nawe baramushakisha so nibande kuri kintu narebe Gormoto niwo abusara wari wambaye imyenda cyajya arimo gutabara ririya zisaza iriya ntambara yabaga mu kanya na polisi so hejuru ataho ibintu byose ni umuvuduko gira shagira nanjye ngire so kumbe hakuno hari wasutamye tazi ko yayobye rakamani woto yapfa mugenzi we ataho dore kwirukanka ko karaza yerekana n'akagongo nambara imwe yongera hasi yewe bishe se batumwe nande nibyo atitaho father yatangiye guhamagara se data mwana wanjye Hong San niwe wabikoze Hong San oya data yararize Hong San niwe wabikoze Hong San niwe wa musaza bendaga kugura umwe nita gatongo mukanya data yararize mugenzi ntacyo byatanga gusa byibuze umusaza apfuye amubwiye ati ni Hong San nuko vuga byanze bikunze araba kwihorera kumbe dore wa mupolisi kazi Wina wari hano misiyo barayinaniwe bitewe n'agakobwa kaje maze kaba mugenzi we imbunda karasa mu kirere birahirira he katrore barakwereka ibyacu bidatenze uko umukobwa yagahagaze hari umuntu waje ahura nawe kimwe muri bya bisaza byendaga kugura na Hong San bagura ibyo byabwenge
So what's the matter?
none ni iki
Hong San had Chan murdered. I'll be next for sure.
cyane yishwe na Hong San bijya gukurikira none urashaka iki
I know you've been after Hong San for years. Maybe I can help.
What's the deal?
Want protection.
ndashaka protection uburinzi
I usually act as middleman for Hong San's transactions. So I
hanyuma mbabwire Hong San uburyo akoramo namwe mugende mumufate atari yavuga byinshi baramurashe nawe ni wa musaza wari uwa kabiri bendaga gukora na Hong San Hong San arabamaze ya polisi kazi yarakurikiye biranga akavuga afite muri wose arenze umujyi kumanywa musaza yendaga kurega Hong San katrore arakasinsiya Allah karasta yitwa Sinsiya Rasta kagabo katambitse ibirenge neza ni mwirabura Metis ngabo umujyi hagati mu isoko akazina ka filime ni kakandi Devil Hunters abayizi basekibi Pau dore sekibi imbere sekibi imbere kaza one video library is the one video library the number ko karagishaka namusobanurira indi amutumye umukobwa nindwanye ibyo nindwanyi zo hasi ntibirashoboka ariko nuko birora niko bimeze igabo kinjijamo hasi ariko sha nta muntu uzavuga inasha nta muntu ku majigo kubise igitiyo ku majigo atabishaka umugabo ahita wera ntabwo akivuze hanga sana afite abagabo kugendaho gato hanga sana akagire uriya yatambikaga nk'akirabura gusa iyo yarenzeho kuko we mu gutambika yafashe hasi hejuru ni nomani ngaraka basi nomani nyombani nomani n'udukasete de wano rwose iragabura nomani tuye muri etaje.
Here, I picked up a few videos for you at the store.
Great, thank you.
nari mbazaniye mbuvanye mu bubiko muri the one video library.
Any news of my father?
I haven't been able to reach him yet.
Data wanyameza ati ntabwo turahura habe na rimwe.
But you know when I get word.
Gusa nugira ikibazo se nindamuka mubonye ibintu biraza kumera sawa. Hano hari umukobwa urimo kurira akeneye kubona se ninde kuri kintu narebe. Norman ni uza hano sari.
I promised your dad I'd look after you.
Nasasire nje ko nzakwitaho.
Him again.
Nugira ikibazo. Ibintu byose bizagenda sawa. Sa mukobwa ninde? Bangsani kumengo yako. Urareba ibi?
Look, they betrayed us, Mr. Hahn. They were a danger to the organization.
Wabishe none byavuze ko ari byo wabishe.
A client of mine.
Urabona ko wica abantu bakavuga ko ari jewe. Nyakuba bari barimo gushaka guterega kuri polisi ndabica. Kugira ngo akazi kacu kagene neza. Bangsani afite umukozi witwa Shingi n'icyegera cye. Gusa namwizera.
And increase our profits.
Kugira ngo tunabagirerega turasigara twebye twenyine muri Golden Triangle hakuno Vietnam.
You're full of shit.
Ubushinwa, Thailand.
Who's boss of this organization?
Hey, don't you start acting the big shot with me.
Ntukongere gufata imyanzuro utambwiye ninde boss muri iyi mipango yacu.
This game.
Boss ugomba kumenya ariko umukino uburyo ukinwamo.
Modern business. The boys won't listen to you anymore. Your decisions aren't respected anymore.
Ntabwo imyanzuro yawe ifatwa neza nk'imyanzuro ikomeye. Nta nubwo abasore bakikumvira barumvira jewe. Yemenye.
Maybe you don't understand the situation.
Hari ibyo utumva.
There's a $500,000 ransom in your head.
Harimo igice cya miliyoni y'amadolari ku mutwe wawe muzakubona umupfu cyangwa uri
There
muzima.
aren't that many places you can run to.
None nijye wagufasha ukanacikira aho ushaka gucikira.
If you were my job, why not go ahead and kill me?
Niba ushaka gutwara akazi kanjye kukitanyica sinshobora.
You see, you're going to be more valuable to me if you're alive and kicking.
Hari impamvu nagukenera boss ntabwo napfa kwica gutyo. Aracyamwita boss kandi yamukuyeho.
I know what you're thinking,
Nzi icyo utekereza.
but you're mistaken.
Gusa
Your
wibeshye.
plan will never succeed. Not a chance in
Nta
hell.
nubwo ushobora kuba umunyamahirwe
Now,
n'amahirwe.
we'll see about that.
Ibyo turabibona ko ntari bube umunyamahirwe basi boss barafitwe. Kiriya kirica abantu kigakora ibibi Hangsana akaba ari burengana. Hangsana nawe arafitwe nk'imbohe. Pedro wa musaza n'abandi. Akobwa kasabirizaga.
Abby.
Madi. Ari kumwe na Madi.
Do you know what it means?
Uzi icyo bisobanura yampaye inoti imeze gutyo. Hangsana aka gakobwa karimo gusabiriza yagaye inote. Ntabwo kasabirizaga kabishaka ahubwo hari icyo kashaka kindi.
Okay.
Kazaniye uyu musaza Norman umwe utambika ibirenge neza nk'akadoga.
Well, just be careful.
Icyo ufite gukora abakobwa wirinde. Abantu kurikirana ntabwo boroshye. Aratambika arongera acaho. Barakwereka ibyacu bidutinze burira bugacya. Bwarakeye kumba agakobwa kaje hakuno. Aho wa musore
Can I
akora.
help you? Mr. Chai is expecting me. One moment.
Nagufasha cyane aranyene hano. Cyane dufitanye gahunda. Cyane ninde ni wa musore Alex Man dore anakorera. Munli yagarutse ari Madi. Madi yaraje kureba Alex Man. Ariwe cyane. Madi. Kumbe cyane ngoyo. Mwibuke neza bahuriye muri ya ntambara yabaye. Abapolisi hagati yabo nibyihe. Mukobwa yakiza agaca kigabo cyangsa ni kimwe. Cyamaze kugambanirwa n'umwe mu cegera cyacu cya Shingi uriya nawe akiza wa musaza wapfuye. Witwa cyane nanone. Cyane caho uje mu biro byari.
Come back!
Okay. That about wraps it up. Do you have any further questions?
hanyuma hari ibindi bibazo tuzasubira ubutaha. Nyakubahwa cyane.
Well then.
Sawa.
Mr. Chai, I won't take up too much of your time.
Ndakeka ntabwo ntwara igihe cyawe kirekire.
Gentlemen.
Nyakubahwa.
The meeting's closed. Call me if you have any further comments.
Inama irafunzwe. Ndakeka ari tuzasubira mu butaha. Mu nama baba bari mu nama amasaha yose ni Dewani yo yakoze inama. Sanga rwose Dewani yobowe n'inararibonye. Bas abandi yarasezereye mu nama umukobwa aricara. Yambitse nk'umupolisi.
What can I do for you?
Nagukorera iki?
Mr. Chai, your father was killed quite recently.
Ndajya unyumve bitonze.
But you don't seem to be too upset.
Usa n'ubabare. So yarapfuye urasa naho utababaye.
Condolences go to my home address.
Wait.
Now you get the hell out of here.
I shall tell you why I really came. I want to discuss something.
What's that?
Han-san killed your father, didn't he? Not revenge.
Right. Yes, sir. But I don't know where he is.
I do.
Han-san azawari. Niwe wishe se wuyi. Sawe mwibuka bamurashe barimo gusohoka ava mu biro. Bapana mu biro. Shira itabi nuko
What are you telling me?
Of course there will be conditions.
Ndakubwira ibyo ngubwira gusara amabwiriza genderaho. Arugwitamo.
What's it worth?
Nuko he.
I don't want the money. I just want the pleasure of arresting Han-san.
Na amafaranga nshaka ndashaka kugira ngo ufate Han-san mumu.
You must hand him over to me once you've got him.
Umubonye ukamumu.
I want to kill him personally.
Nshaka kumwicira bwanjye. Oya yagukoreye iki? Ogiye yishe data. Yarabanje nakareba kambaye igipolisi.
I'm sorry. I'm just not interested.
Ntabwo mbishaka.
I'll take my own revenge, thank you.
Nzihorera utaje kumbwira uko nzihorera. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Sawa urabeho.
Hey.
Yewe. Mbere yo kugenda.
Let me give you a little piece of advice.
Reka ngugire inama.
If you want to fool people, get the right shoes.
When you want to fool people, get the right shoes. Nushaka kugira abantu abaswa uzajye wambara inkweto za nyazo. Kiyambitse nka polisi kibagirwa inkweto. Hey. Alaka Johnny. Alex Money. Niwe wuwo. Usibye ko agakobwa ko kwa Han-san gashobora kuba kazanari. Mukanya kavuganaga na wa mugabo utambika ibirenge kaduga. Kavuye hariya kerekeye ku gipolisi ko karagendesha amazi mwana hose. Ni Rwambimbi. Neza. Kira fast. Rero shaho cyagiye bararashisha baratunaniza ariko shaho. Ebana. Ariko shaho muzajye shaho shaho mugire. Kumbuko kagenda yatangiye kukaneka kambwiye ko kazaho Han-san kazawari. Kazanye amazi mwe noneho ko mupoyi. Urebe ko abantu bateranye abantu uretse kugenda. Cyagiye arabacitse ubunzabari. Bagukorera ikindi ashaka umwicira ubwanjye. Kugenda umundangire bazi kajyanye n'umupolisi kazi noneho. Cyane yakurikiye Alex Man. Ha. Devil Hunters niko gafilime.
Bunghing Dockyard? Yes, that's right. That's where Han-san is hiding.
Niyo Han-san yish.
So why would you be telling me all this?
Ese kuki ubimbwira?
I've reason for getting hold of Han-san.
Kuko mushaka nanjye
The
kumubona.
arrival of yours? Is that why you want him caught? With all the things Han-san's done, I think he deserves to be arrested. Society would be better off without him.
Ibi byose Han-san yakoze numva ko yafungwa kubera ko nta cyiza cyamuvuyeho kereka ibi.
And who exactly are you?
Ariko se ubundi wowe urinde.
You don't need to know that.
Ntabwo ibyo ukeneye ko bimenye.
But if you want to arrest Han-san, then you'll have to trust me.
Niba ushaka kubona Han-san icyo ufite gukora ni ukunyizera mutera aho hantu nkubwiye hanyuma murareba. Yewe sha kari kagiye. Mbe hako naruwa abacuruzi. Uriya nawe nuwo gahaye urugambo. Arungukira hera. Inyungu ze ziri. Baratambika hako narabatambika bo baratambika. Harimo Norman. Metiso shatu amwita Norman kuko imitambikire yesi ya hafi. Uko batambika ruwa bakurikiye. Uko bakurikiye ruwa mukurikiye. Police.
You must be the informant, am I right?
Ngomba kuba ari watubwiye ibya Han-san siko bimeze
Yes,
cyane.
come this way.
Wino hako nino ni polisi igiye kumufata si wowe. Han-san ni hanari. Uya nawe yari yakurikiye arashaka Han-san kuko yishe se. polisi ije kumufata kaniko katanze urugambo nuri akamubwira urugambo nako bwako kari kaje kamushaka.
Here's the superintendent. I want to see Miss Tong.
I'm commanding the operation.
Nije uyobora yo operation.
Docs?
Niki?
Yes.
Yego?
All right. You're not needed for now. Please stand aside.
Nambuda wakenera nona ajya ku ruhande. Tujye kumwifatira uwo dushaka warakoze kuduha urugambo. We
Hold it. You can't leave the area. We need you for questioning.
ntabwo apfa kuva hano turagukeneye kugira ngo tukubaze.
What conditions?
Han is to stay alive. Nobody must kill him.
Nshaka kugira ngo Hang-san nimufata guma ari muzima.
For the good reason that Han-san should be sent to prison.
Hang-san agomba kujya muri gereza pana kwicwa.
Don't worry.
Niyo mpamvu nshaka kugira ngo niba mushaka kugira ngo ume ndaguma. Ntugire ikibazo.
Now tell me,
Yeah.
who else is inside with Han-san?
Ni bande
Anyone?
bandi bari imbere na Hang-san
25 bodyguards.
n'abarinzi be.
Okay, 3 of you. Go take a look.
Sawa wowe genda urebe sha. Jana n'ikipe hari undi waje aritambika. Kumba agakipe kagiye ni gakeya cyane Alex Mani yabubonye ko aka gakipe yagacanga imigira akifatira Hang-san. Nawe aratambika acaye. Kumbe koko dore Hang-san ngaba hakuno barimo baragura vugana na boss cyamugurisha. Ho! Ati rero ni wanga rero twakugira hano tukanakugira ukabura n'ukuburana. Twakugira. Yabarinzi. Police!
Devil Hunter. Devil Hunter.
Devil Hunter abayizi basekibi.
Got it. Over and out.
Ndabubije over down. Over ngoyeho.
Okay, let's go. Yes, sir.
Okay, tugende Yesu nyakubawe. Bacaho. Berekeye iyo. Rakabas! Alex Mana byinjemo. Mr. Chana byinjemo. Police! Police! Yabazengurutse.
Listen, you in there, you're surrounded.
Nazengurutse.
Come up, your hands up.
Hang-san n'abasore bawe bawe witonze kumbe Hang-san yari umukorezi. Uwitwa Shinga.
You can't escape.
Umukozi we. Ni umukozi.
3 minutes. Hands up, drop your gun.
N'amaboko hejuru y'imbunazi. Mama we. Mama we dore byewe biri hano.
Close the door.
Mugire hakurya sha. Mubanze ariko afande afite ubwenge. Arabohereje. Mukobwa niwe ngo bagomba kubaza. Baramubaza ikikurikira narewe nawe arashaka Hang-san ari muzima. Ho! Ho! Dore moto. Dore umuriro. Mubirere nikwandika yatunze neza abona ni mugenzi we kandi bacaho bombi. So polisi Hang-san nawe arimo gucika. Umuriro kazi baramurashe hasi aravurura aragaruye Hang-san aracitse mu bwato. Gakobwa karongeye karishima Hang-san nanone aracitse. Polisi kaza bigendeyemo.
Jen, you okay?
Is okay?
Jen! Jen!
Jenny ntabwo yashoboye kurengaho n'umupolisi kazi babigendeyemo. Bamwe baragenda bapfa. Bamwe barabipfiramo. Hang-san kumufata biracyakomeye. Bibaye ingume. Nyakubaha kuri inshuro yarahibereye. Yarahibereye bibaye yirebera. Baraparika mu nzira bagenda kandi polisi iracyakurikiye.
Condor, rendezvous deep bay.
Kondo twakurikiwe ca mu birere uzugire. Ho! Dore moto. Hang-san yishe muri ka moteri. Nako ni gato. bakamotera abagabo barahana babahamagaye indege ntabwo iraza niyo igomba kubatabara ubwato buri inyuma yabo imbe yari imaze kwasesekara byakomeye hakuno menya nsari banamushyizemo Pass.
Come on, faster.
Basubira inyuma sha. Ari abasa nabo babananije. Hangsana arongera acikishijwe. Uyu mugabo kuki kimukoresha cya shingi. Polisi irahiga Hangsani na kibi na kimwe akora. Ahubwo wiswe ngo nicyegera cy'inkora mutima ye irimo gukora ibibi. Yakora ibibi bikitirwa uriye. Tegeka gitanga kuko abasore batakimwumvira. Ndajya asubiyeyo. Garuka hakuno kuri police station. Ku birindiro bya police.
Doctor,
Polisi none yananiwe. Umukobwa arasa n'amaze kwegura.
you left me behind because you think I'm incompetent. I really don't think there's any future for me here, so I'm resigning as of today.
Umukobwa yasaga naho yeguye. Yari yandikenya ku barwandiko. Uyu hakuno komenya kuba yinjiye. Aho ndikupunoza. Bwana mukobwa.
You know, resigning
Kwegura kwawe.
won't change anything.
Nta na kimwe byahindura.
You'll just be out of a job.
Uraza kuvuye.
When you're in the police academy,
ubwo wari mu gipolisi ukiga.
Okay.
Warambwiye.
that you have to work hard to get anywhere in life.
Yuko uzakora bishoboka kugira ngo buri muntu wese agumare muzima.
You've never relied on favors.
Ntabwo wigeze ugenda ngo ugendere ku magambo y'abantu.
Who happened to be the chief examiner. I like that.
Wabaye urugero ku bandi narabikunze.
That's why you work with me.
Niko twakoranye neza.
Maybe
Ari
it's possible I've been more severe with you.
byashoboka twakumvikana kurushaho.
But if I have been, it's always been for your own good.
Ibyo nakoze byose nabikoraga ku bwiza bwawe. Ntugeze nshaka kubabaza.
Either one day you'll do it.
Narinze ko umunsi umwe uzakora agatangaza.
But now,
Narinze ko umunsi umwe uzegura.
Janice dear,
Wamaze kurambirwa. Hansani yabananiye gufata.
Nevertheless,
Kabone.
I'd like you to continue the investigation.
Nshaka kugira ngo ukomeze iri perereza.
Justice.
Hansani tumubone.
Your resignation's canceled.
Your resignation is cancelled. Ukwegura kwawe kuranzwe. Zasaga n'umusaba. Uwo muntu ubundi baca umugani mu cyongereza ngo umuntu ni umuntu kandi imbere uzamubona. A human being is a human being and you will see him. Yarasabye. Kumbe Hansani yanarashwe. Byegera bye
I
byo.
think he should be taken to hospital.
Agomba kujyanwa kwa muganga. Amerewe nabi. Buri cyegera cye.
I'll decide who goes to hospital. Understand?
Turaza guhitamo kwajya kwa muganga. Urabyumva? Bazanye uwo magenda mu mashano. Baganga rwose bavurira pembeni pembeni. Aksan.
Didn't you hear the doctor?
Ntabwo mwumvishe
I should go to
muganga.
hospital.
Nyine ivuriro.
Mr. Hahn,
Nyakwa hano.
how are you going to go to the hospital?
Ni gute wajya kwa
The
muganga?
police are everywhere.
Polisi ziri hose.
Isn't it safer here?
Hano ntabwo harinzwe.
Sure it is.
Bikoko.
But you'd rather let me die.
Biruta kwandika
Use
nka
will you be to me if you're dead?
byasobanura iki kuri jya upfuye.
I'm going to make sure that doctor takes real good care of you.
Ndaza kumenya neza ngo muganga arakwitaho. Wa muganga uvurisha urwago.
Tell me,
Mbwira.
where did you hide the bag of diamonds?
Za diyama wazihishe. Naho ngubwiye jya kundeka.
You would feel...
igikumbe cyaramwigaranzuye kugira ngo azagiye diyama yahishe diyama
Now look
zishe
here.
umva we
You leave her alone.
reka umwana wanjye wenyine kivuze ko iby'umukobwa we afite umwana w'umukobwa w'umusaza
There's no need to worry.
nta mpamvu yo kugira ibibazo
Is there?
sibyo guma aho uryamye diyama uzazima niza n'igikobwa cyawe Hang-San polisi irahiga Hang-San yuzuye wica abantu iki cyegera cye shingi cyamaze abantu kirabikora mu izina rya Hang-San Pedro wa polisi kazi wari wapfuye mugenzi yaraje amushyiraho indabyo umwe weguraga nawe arumva ko kwegura kwe nta mpamvu ahubwo nagenda ashaka Hang-San ariko byibuze amaraso ya mugenzi wapfuye byagaragara ko bijye mu butabera akazana uwamwishe mu butabera barakwereka arimo kuvayo umunyamazimwe aracyahari Munli
Susan Holmes' whereabouts.
uje kongera kumbwira aho Hanga
There's something
yihishe
that you might tell me where he is.
nawe mbwira aho
Dave,
ari
I've looked everywhere.
polisi irimo irashakisha hose
There is one other place. Maybe you should check it out.
hari ahandi hantu hamwe hari wajya kuhabariza
Where's that?
ni hehe
The peanut bar.
ni akabari
And you think he's there?
urakeka ariyo
I don't know. He might be. I'll make inquiries if you'd like, and I'll let you know, okay?
simbizi ariko ndakeka
Hope we're luckier this time.
ureke mbishake wanyuma kandi nzakubwira siko bimeze kuri inshuro za munyamahirwe nawe ntuzapfe nka mugenzi wawe
So what's the connection between Han-San and this bar? The owner is Puni,
Hang-San nako kabari
a real
bapanga
ladies' man. He went straight
umukozi nyirako kabari amafaranga yahawe na Hang-San
to put up the cash.
ni ukuvuga igihe ukabaza uwo mukozi nako nyiri kabari waba ubonye Hang-San kuko Hang-San aho yihishe hose uwo muntu agomba kuba hazi dore akabari kuntu gasa udufaranga yeah
Welcome, ladies. Can I help you?
urakaza nabafasha bazi
We're CID.
ni CID Criminal Investigation Department
Do you know this man?
uyu mugabo uramuzi
Do you know where he is?
sari
No, I've no idea.
nta gitekerezo mfite baraje baramwicaza ku ngufu uravuga aho Hang-San ari niwe wabahaye amafaranga
Tell
yo
me where he's hiding out.
Lois
But I've no idea where he is.
ntabwo
Han-San
zari
is your boss. You must have some idea where he is.
No, I swear.
tukari
Here, you'll talk if you know what's good for you.
Honest to God, I don't know where he is.
kuvuga birakubera byiza ndabarahira imbere y'Imana ntabwo muzahari
Alan. Okay.
gusa hari umuntu nzi ushobora kuba azahari
Makes no
hari
difference.
akagabo yabarangiye ngaka hakuno
You're pretty as...
na nyiramana biraruta kabisa usigaye mu gikariso gusa akagabo kari hano
Despair.
byihorere
How can you do this to me? Only an hour?
isaha imwe gusa
I'm so sorry.
mbabarire
If you could give me more money,
no
then I could stay all day.
bakongeraho ukayakubisha gatatu ari ntabwo mu munsi wose Hey. urabona ibi ukajya kubyigana babi filime tureba hano iwacu hari igikoko cyaje cyo kirajyana abantu subirizo cyitwa sida karacyakomeza kumva ko ka gakobwa kagenda kagatanga amazi mu uyu nawe kari kayamuhaye umuntu uzi Hang-San nari ni hanari niko aka kagabo kari kumwe na nyiramana aya basi yabagezeho kundi bayo Ciao! Dore! Dore nambara! Barashaka Hang-San! Barashaka Hang-San! Barashaka Hang-San ni Mr. Chan! Hang-San yishe se! Kaniko kazi ahantu Hang-San ari!
Where is he?
Ari!
He's hiding at Shantin Pond.
Yishe Shantin pa! Karabuze!
What are you doing here? Where's Anya?
Nakora icyana!
I don't know. A guy broke in and took him.
Yari arimo imbere y'ikigabo kiramwataka ni cyane se! Yarimo indani ikigabo kiramwataka. Ubwo bari kumwe Mukamana arabivuze.
Do you have any idea where they went? Yes, I do. They were going to Shantin Pond.
waba uzi ahantu berekeye ngo bagiye gushaka impa hahandi kavuze mu kanya kamwe bahaga imigeri kumbe Hang-San ntabwo ari we mubi nawe hakuno baramubabaza dore bamfungiye mu mazi
Mr. Han, it would save you a lot of time and suffering if you just told me where the gems were.
nyakuba uraza kumara igihe cyawe cyose ubabara nutambwira aho diyamazina
I could help you emigrate.
bamfasha
You could go wherever you wanted to.
nagucikije ukajya nawe ushaka hose ku isi
Bastard.
gicoco
I won't tell you a thing.
nta na kimwe nkubwira I won't tell you a thing nta na kimwe nkubwira
Telephone.
ka telefoni bwa chef shingi
Yeah.
yego
Norman?
Norman.
Sure.
Sawa.
Yeah, I'll keep my eye on him.
Yego komeza muhige.
Mr. Hahn,
Nyakwaha.
your daughter's coming to visit tomorrow.
Igikobwa ejo kizaza kudusura igikobwa cyawe. Musaza baramusaza diamawusiri ntabwo.
You sure it's here? Honest, it's through there.
Ni hano cyangwa ni hariya bashyiramo ingumi. Alex man. Nabarasha Kangsan. Kumbe Kangsan ni hano kukafungi. Dimwe. Uwo no murinzi. Karinzi kabiri. Dimwe.
What's that?
Oh. Umusore ni ndwanyi byo dimwe. So.
Take a look. All right.
Yereresha sawa nyakuba. Nibwo uri bukire. So, Termoto. Kansani baramujyanye. Baramujyanye muvanye amazi. Baramujyanye. Kiramujyanye katrole. Oh. Sinzi aje kumutikisha. Yagombaga kwihorera ko yishe se gusa. Vuba mu modoka indani Sangsana aracikishijwe. Kumbe dore ka kandi katanze amazimwe baje bakurikira imodoka irimo iragenda. Mukoregereje amumubone kandi.
Who are you? What do you want?
Urinde urashaka
Taking you away.
ndimo ndagutikisha. Nibyo ugomba kumenya.
I've no quarrel with you. I don't even know you. Just shut up.
Ntabwo nkuzi, ntabwo nigeze nkumenya. Wepfunga umunwa ngo ndagutikisha gusa. Inyuma.
Hold on.
Bagabo baje. Bagiye ku kandi kamodoka barasana. Yegeresha. Wapaza kuchika ubwo wapuyemo gusa kamodoka uko kakamanutse arongera aratangira Hangsan arasa nawakize Hangsan yasaga nawakize kumbi mbere bagenda imodoka cyabari wakiranije only nawe yaje yiba Hangsan turashize biniki ya kaka kwabwa kawora gatanga urugambo nako kamushaka ari muzima bas karimo karamuciki nk'inninja reka Hangisani hano ariguranwa ajya muri iyi modoka. Umupolisi kazi nawe ari hano. Simbuka uwo n'undi wibye Hangisani. Hangisani we ni umugabo wo kwibwa, buri wese aramukeneye, ni iboro muri aka kanya, ni imari, niwe bukungu. Twari modoka iyo bivuga mbere se kiratangira. Iyo bivuga mbere ntabwo cyari no guparika. Haya basi ngabo Hangisani uko yakajyango kugera hakuno ko bamupolisi kazi ntabwo amucikisha tu atanicika, bose bamukeneye ukakopa.
CID, okay? You're under arrest.
The CID, Criminal Investigation Division. Urafunzwe. Basi kumbe uyu ntabwo ashaka ko Hangisani bapfa kujyana. Ndabona mukeneye. Uyu mupolisi kazi. Yari yerekanye ni karite muri license ya Rastakara mufunze. We.
What do you want?
Ashaka iki?
I'm sorry.
Mbabarire.
Inspector, he is with me. Get in the car.
Muri aka kanya umugabo ari kumwe nanjye, jya mu modoka rati. Basi. We, Hangisani arajyanywe. We, ndamujyanye. We, turagiye. Sijyega ari we. Nuko byagenze. Mpaka mu kabari kari hakuno. Ngwino hakuno. Bire wa musaza utambika ibirenge no money. No money. Ndanyasiranye na Hangisani. Boss. Bamwitaga na boss. Bari baraburanye.
Runaway of a wanted criminal. It's not the first time.
Munyabyaso bwa mbere gucika.
Police officer, handcuffed to a vehicle.
Hanyuma polisi kazi baguteye amapingu. Ikiyebe kiracika.
Congratulate you on this feat. It's a
Urumva ko naguye ikaze mu byo byabaye cyangwa. Gapunamo. Nyakubari cyatumva.
Your resignation.
Your resignation. Egura none ndabyemera.
This isn't fair. I didn't know she'd do that.
Ntabwo bikora umukobwa. Niko yabikora.
I asked you to run a check on that girl a long time ago, but we still no information. So strictly speaking, this is your fault, sir.
Narakubwiye uwo mukobwa tumwigeho kuva kera, nta kintu twigeze dukora. Nyako byose byatewe nawe.
I hadn't seen it that way. The girl's called Abby. All the details? I hear.
Nuko bimeze? Sawa. Hangisani boss, bwana mukubwa. Boss. Boss.
Yeah, she's Han's daughter.
Ni umukobwa wa Hang.
No way.
Ntibishoboka.
His only daughter is called Shirley.
Ibyo uvuga nibyo cyangwa?
Abby is also his daughter.
Now, after
His daughter by his first wife. You can take the file with you. There's a lot in it.
Abakobwa babiri bombi yarabaye ku badamu batandukanye. Gusa mbi n'abakobwa be. Icyo gikobwa cyamuhigaga gishaka kunya gicikishe se nabindi. Ni se wacyo.
Yes, sir.
Yego nyako bagenda bombi bashake. Kumbe Monly yari umukobwa w'uyu mugabo. Yari umukobwa Hangisani yarabuze uburyo yagarura.
You just got a call, that's all.
Araza kumera
All right,
neza.
with some aspirin and a rest.
Tufite gukora no gutuza. Uyu yari se yacikishije se. Boss. Mr. Hangisani. Nta kibiki.
Thanks.
Gakoze.
I appreciate it.
Ndabikunze.
It's nothing, honestly.
Ntacyo.
You've done so much for me. It's really the least I could do.
Wankoreye byinshi nta na kimwe ubu ngubu nari nakwitura.
Problem.
Boss.
Rest. Now you'll be okay. You'll be quite safe here.
Tuza byibuza uraburinzwe mu gace.
Shing will be looking out for us.
Shinge ndabizi araza kuba arimo kumpiga. Shinge ni wa wundi wari ikigera.
So with Shing, I know what to do.
Niwita kuri Shinge nzi icyo gukora. Ngo ni no money. No money. Ngo uyu hakuno. Ngo natinye Shinge wasi icyo gukora. Atashye. No money.
Hey!
Yewe hakurya sha. Ibiki hakuno. Parisagonda. Imbere ya Shinge. No money.
Norman, I heard you might know where Han stands.
Ndabizi sawa Hangisani.
I haven't seen Mr. Han for 2 years, at least.
Maze nk'imyaka 2 nabubona sinzi ahantu yaburiye.
But where's his daughter?
umukobwa wari
I have no idea.
ntabwo mbizi kora kira pasi niba utazari ntabwo uzaha igikobwa cye kirisha barakanda
Doc, where is he?
ariye
I don't know.
imbizi ibyo ni ingumi umenye no kumuha basi imbere wose kira pasi tena nambara dore ibibaho dore imigeri cuma mu kuboko polisi kumbe yarayitaga kwa kundi bayita yemwe ca muri mubiki ca muri umuntu ca yewe byagenza bite uyu nawe arakata arabizi ko umuntu ibigabo byambazaga atari mwiza ibyambazaga si byiza polisi kugira ngo turababonye biruka ova barakwereka Norman yatambitse ibirenge ajya mu rugo papa afite utwana dutatu
Well, I fell over playing football.
nakinaga umupira
See, you gotta be careful when you're
namwe
playing.
mwirinde murabona ko umupira utuma abantu birabura amatama nibyo byatumye kadugara cya kuriya we ni umumbetisi ngo nibwirinde kurushaho umupira utuma abantu birabura amatama mbese uko bimeze yakubiswe yari ari mukunzi we mu rugo abagabo bamereze nabi barimo barabaza Hansani kutabura hasi hejuru
You're late, aren't you? We were waiting for
wakererewe
you.
seko cyakora kirateguye
Daddy, dinner's ready.
cyakora kirateguye
Daddy, Daddy's got
mama
it.
papa aracya n'umukara muceceke shahu muceceke ntimurabure
What in heaven's name happened to you?
byakugendekeye bite kusanga abametisi niko byagenze yabaye metisi mukaragi
Young punks told me in a side street just now. We had a fist fight. This is the result.
twarwanye nabyo mu muhanda ni ibiwungu nk'uko bise abacomeri
Jumped a few years back
nk'uko byangendekeye
to the hospital.
That was more than 4, 5 or 6 at least.
bari nk'abatarya
That's
batandatu
quite right. So how come you let a couple of youngsters get the better of you? Tell me.
ni gute se abacitse abasore nk'abo bo ku muhanda bamwe bambura abantu vuga
I give up, really. You're supposed to be an adult. But you can act so irresponsibly. Can't you think of the children?
kuba ibyo byose bikubaho ni ukuba nawe uza rwose ukaza mu nzira hari zitari nzima ntabwo utekereza abana hagize ikikubaho basiganwa nani
Hey, kids.
Bana
You
bato.
carry on eating. Hey,
yewe
you both see my face, okay? I wasn't a good boy.
nanjye nari umwana mwiza cyane
Thing, you see?
ndimo ndeba imeze
And
gutya
fighting's bad, isn't it?
ibiruta nuko namwe mwakwirinda kurutaho sibyo nibyo mama yambwiraga yego burarye hari uhamagaye kuri ka telefone Norman
Hello.
hello
Hello, it's Fu Yin. How's a surprise? The boss is with me. He
ni
wants
Fuyeni mbega agatangaza boss turi kumwe hano
he wants you to bring Shirley along.
arashaka kugira ngo uzakuna n'umukobwa w'ishiri
There.
sawa ndaje nonaha
I gotta go out, okay?
ndaje nonaha aho ngiye ndaje Norman yagombaga gusohoka akajya gufata umwana wa
But dear,
wa
wait.
Hansani sheri akamushyira Hansani Hansani ahantu yasaga naho arindiwe
It's in here.
umukobwa yakomeye nguyu afite abakobwa babiri Hansani umukobwa wa mbere n'uriya wamucekesheje uyu ni umukobwa wa kabiri
Who is it? Open up the door.
ninde ni yewe
What?
parisagonda ni ugufungura vuba vuba bose ari hakuno
Daddy, you're all right, aren't you?
meze neza
I'm okay.
sawa
Boss,
Boss.
you sure you're not hurt?
ntabwo wabibaye
My God. Did Shing do that?
mana yanjye ishinga niba wabikoze
Really, it's nothing. Don't worry.
ntacyo yantwaye ntugire ikibazo
Once.
ni we yashakaga
He's after the gems.
arimo arashaka za diyama
Daddy,
Papa.
what gems?
ni ze diyama
Never mind. We can discuss this later on.
bose wibivuga ibyo ngibyo turaza kubivugaho mu nyuma Norman
Listen to me.
umva
This hideout, it isn't safe.
this hideout is it safe ntabwo ahantu hihishe harinzwe turashaka ahandi
I thought the same thing.
I thought the same thing nanjye nibyo natekereje
Well,
sawa
I have friends in the Philippines.
mfite inshuti muri
You
Philippines
don't worry.
njya gupanga ujye muri Philippines ujye kubana n'inshuti Manila niwo murwa mukuru wa Philippines
Father,
Yagomba kujya muri
I
Philippines.
agree with her.
data nanjye ndabyemera ibyo
Well then, if you have no objections,
bose
I'll contact them.
nta kundi guhita mufite
Ready.
reka nze mpamagara inshuti yanjye muri Philippines nawe ube
Thanks a
witeguye
lot.
ntugire ikibazo ajya guhunga mu Bushinwa polisi irahiga ibyeyi birahiga n'ikirapasi kumbe dore ibyeyi baparika ibintu nk'ibi bibaho ugasanga abantu barita umuntu mubi nyamara atari ko bimeze hari
Headquarters.
se ikiburi inyuma ukomeza kumwatiriza mu kibi
No, sir.
I don't care where it takes you, understand? I must get that old fart back as soon as possible.
Yes, boss.
simbyitaho uko byamera kose gusa icyo mufite gukora mugire hanyuma tugire ka kabari nyiri kabari Hang bamuhaye umusada wo kuzamura akabari bamuteye n'abakozi ba Shingi.
What do you want?
Niki
Hang San, where is he?
Hang San ari
No idea.
Sindi ingumi
Now then, where is he?
ari
I don't know.
Sindi ngumi tare n'amafi Hang San ari afite sadi y'amabagabo bashaka te ya mashinga shaka kara kubiswe yeah oh Kristo anti yaraye gukina uwo musore ntabwo mbwira
Go to hell!
jama kuzimu bimwe akaho n'agatebe karavunika oh
Now where's he hiding?
yishe
I'm not gonna tell you. So you might as well kill me.
nta na kimwe navuga kabone nubwo mwanyica akaboko yanze kuvuga baza na hakuno kwa boss
I'm giving you one more chance.
ntabwo amahirwe yanyu Hang San ari
Go to hell.
jama kuzimu icupa ku mutwe abagabo bari hano oh bari hano bira amaraso bakuruka icupa nka ririya ngo bore kubivuga bizwi na Norman nawe baramuteye iwe mu rugo.
Where is your husband?
Mugabo wawe arihe
Gone away.
yagiye Norman ngo yarimo arata uko yagatambitse afite uturenge my friend uwo Metis uko yakinjiye arinjiriwe Alex Man nawe aracyakurikiye Hang San yamwivaniyeho bamushimuse ashaka kumenya Hang San arihe arasa n'abizwa ari Norman uzahari Norman yagiye kugera madamu yanjye n'abana
Annie!
Ani Mari Ani yahamagaye Ani yagiye madamu n'utwana tubiri ka telefoni ninde umwamagaye bafashe utwana navuga aho Hang San ari yego
Who's this?
Nini?
Norman,
Norman
it's Shing.
ni Shingi muvugana
Your wife wants to talk to you.
mugore arashaka kuvugana nawe
Norman, you gotta do something.
Norman biruta nuko hatambika uzahakuno gira icyo ukora
Okay, Jing.
sawa
We can talk, but don't touch my wife and kids.
turavugana gusa nubabaza abana banjye n'umugore wanjye
Well,
sawa
if you hand over Hang San to me,
no Hang San
I promise I won't hurt your family.
madamu wawe n'umuryango wawe sigubabaza
Where? How about the old peak?
turahura ryari kuri Opik niho bagomba kuvurira kumva ibyo bavugaga byose Alex Man yumvaga yari hanze nawe arashaka uwo mugabo Hang San dore uturenge Karakabas Norman kumva ko Norman agenda ntubahuri boss genda umuhamagare sha mubanze mugire iki ngiki kigire Shinga ari hano
You're saying,
Shinga ari Apanye.
where's my family?
Don't worry, they're safe and sound for the moment.
umuryango wanjye uriye bararinzwe baranavuga
Yes.
cyane none urashaka iki
Let me make one thing clear.
katwumva ikintu
I'm
kimwe
not involved.
ntabwo mbirimo
Between you and Han San.
biri hagati yawe na Hang San
If anybody knows where Han San is hiding, it
What?
would have to be you, wouldn't you think?
uwaba azi ko Hang San ahari agomba kuba ari we wenyine siko ubitekereza nawe
The police are looking for him. His mugshot's all over the territory.
polisi irimo iramushakisha ntabwo ari uwo kugenda yiyerekana buri hose
Sooner or later.
urabyumva
Listen to me, Singh. I can
Singh.
tell you one thing.
kabwira ikintu kimwe
Han San won't be trying to contact me.
Hang San ntabwo ashobora kumpamagara uko byamera kose
You're the one who killed him.
kubera ko yaba abizi ko byanze kunze
For
ubushake
my work,
bwawe
I admit it. But the beauty of it is,
ibyo
the
simbyemera
police thought he did it. So I'm in the clear. You
twumvikane
know, if you want to see your wife and kids return home
ushaka
safely,
kubona umuryango wawe ugaruka iwawe
stand for me.
ibiruta no kwanzanira Hang San
Tell me something. Why the hell should I trust you? Hmm?
gira icyo mbwira kuki nakwizera
Any other choice?
naguhita mufite Hang San niwe ushinjwa abantu bose bagenda bapfa nawe yarabibonaga akarira Shinga arabikora Hang San akarengana ni gute yagarura izina rye sinzi rimwe na rimwe mu bantu bashobora kumva umuntu bamwe bakagenda bamusebya bakanamuvuga nabi kandi atari ko ateye umuntu afite umutima wa kimuntu nanone umuntu ari umuntu nk'abandi rimwe na rimwe ari ugushakisha kwe ugasanga bamwe baragenda bamusiga izina ribi kubera inyungu runaka baba bafitemo cyangwa se kubera impamvu runaka abantu ntabwo bifuriza abandi Sani nuko byari bimeze bararengana izina rye rizagaruka rite Katururi noma ni kome ngo yakuno n'ubwato ngo agiye kumuzana ubwato bumujyana muri Philippines mu murwa Manila bari bajya kwihisha kumbe noma ni nawe ntabwo uhitamo yari afite bafashe umuryango we bamubwiye yamushyize mu bwato ngo agiye kumujyana Katururi n'udukobwa twe tubiri ubwato buratangira baraparika mu nzira bigenda yarebye noma agiye kumusura
Your friend's a good husband. He loves his wife.
umugabo ni umugabo mwiza w'urugo akunda umugore we
Show Han inside. We must be getting underway. Let's go.
igihe kitari cyakora turi mu nzira kakagerageje kurwana biranga hari umunyamikeri
You bastard! What do you want with us?
gicucura mushaka iki nako barakurura umbe mu nzira hari uwaruje Alex mani yari bakurikiraniye hafi imwe hasi
Now wait. It's me you want, isn't it? He goes along.
nijye mushaka mureka
We'll
abakobwa
let them go if you'll cooperate.
turabareka bagende niwumvikana natwe kumbe mu nzira hari uwaruje Alex mani ubwato imoto
Get rid of him.
mugihe cyamukoresha aka nako karatangira dore ubufasha dore ubufasha kana akagongo dore ubufasha dore ubufasha Munli na Alex mani barabanganye n'ingabo za Shingi bonyine mu bwato nikira fasi date hejuru dore umugabo mu mazi ni pare segonda yagiye kurasa abantu binjiye amazi bagamo batabona binjiyemo kare Alex mani na Monli Katurore kumbe bahingutse hakuno
What are you doing here?
bakora cyane
Shing's the one responsible for all this.
Shingi niwe byose
You want to save
wabikoze
your father? I want revenge.
ndashaka kwihorera nabindi ndashaka nshaka so gusasisha ndashaka Shingi
Do you have any ideas?
wabuze aho bagiye yabimenye ko ari Shingi wishize
We must call Inspector Tong.
aya basi agakobwa ka Hangsani basigaranye kakabiri ko kagiye ni ka Monli uyu niwe basigaranye kusigaza bamunazeho ibimata kiraguca kuvana amaraso bikaba ngombwa ko kijyana nayo
Stop it. Do something.
Well, now.
murekere gira icyo
You
ukora
want to tell me where the gens were heading?
gere kumbwiye aho zadiye amaziri
Just forget it.
Sure.
nasi uri bubone
I'm in no hurry at all.
sawa nta mpamvu yo kwihuta ubu uraza kuzima ntabwo ugiye kure Shingi umukobwa Hangsani bamunazeho ibimata byinshi maze yiyambura ubwe nawe umukozeho mugire sha barahambira dore ibimata
So, are you going to tell me where the gens are?
urambwira aho imari iri cyangwa nanze kuvuga dore ibimata kuki kuvanaho kijyana n'amaraso sigaho kijyana n'amaraso Shingi
Just tell me where the gens are, Mr. Han.
bwira aho za Jingi ziri nyakubahani Diamonds kugira ngo avuge bigomba kugenda neza. Baje ku nzara, afite umukobwa yiterekeye inzara ze ni pense bakura mu rwa mbere. Bagabo bari hano musaza ararira.
I'm afraid we have no idea where Shing is at the moment.
Dufite ubwoba ntabwo tuzawushinga ari muri aka kanya. Bari ku gipolisi baje kubaza umupolisi kazi. Kumbe Shing ibyo akora umukobwa yatangiye kumukura inzara.
Where are they? Got any idea?
Bari ufite igitekerezo wapi?
Norman?
Undi yajya kubaza Norman. Bamutekereje batinze. Norman we arasa nawe yahimutse. Bamusubiza umuryango we. Shing yari yamushubije abana be babiri n'umugore we. Norman nawe yimutse yagomba kuva mu mujyi. Dore ngo yaguze n'amatike y'indege.
Tickets. You take the kids and go, okay? I'll join you tomorrow night.
Fata amatike, fata abana mugende muve hano. Ejo nijoro nibwo tuzahura. Sibyo?
You look after your mommy, okay?
Natwana mumuzite kuri mama wanyu. Sibyo? Norman arasa nagiye gusigara muri uyu mujyi ho gatoya. Gusa mu gihe kitari cyakure. Ngo ejo nawe agomba guhura nabo nijoro. Norman nguyu hakuno. Ndariya niho bagirira. Norman. Byasaga nashaka hakuno. Faranga twose yakoreye imyaka yose yaradutanze maze araza yigurira imbunda. Nizo gutera ndi. Norman. Metisi. Mutambitsi. Barabara. Yawe afite ibikoresho arimo kugura rakana. Norman. Gangsta n'agakobwa ke ngaba hakuno. Bagakuye inzara bagakutse ibishoboka icyamfura mbi rwose abagabo bari hano. Abagabo bari hano.
I don't think he can hear you, Mr. Hart.
Kuma izadi amanya kubahanga.
Stand up, stop!
Babwire barekere.
Tell him to stop! I beg of you!
Babwire barekere ndagusaba.
Getting somewhere. Enough!
Iragije. Wabajemo. Nandaka namani yaje. Doruturenge. Yatambitse abajemo. Yaguze ibikoresho. Yaguze ibikoresho. Yabajemo. Yeme aratanga. Dari birenge, my friend. Usego.
Hey! Where are you? Come out here!
Shinguriye.
You bastard! Come out!
You chuchu mwino.
You bastard!
Mwino muswa. Ya acha namwera mishing. Asimbuka niko ziva mu gikapu. Awagwa niko ziva mu gikapu. Kamuhaye ye. Bas abana yi. Dari birenge. Shinga apuza gatabari bamwayongera atambi. Moto. Afite amaraso y'ururambo yizanye wenyine. Yabibonye muri filime. Mukuguru. Mazimano. Bire. Bakongeye baramuha. Uyiba. Ande zo sarafurura. Norman. money, no money, no money, no money, no money, no money, no money. Ho! Kumbe bosi. Boss. Niwe wamukoreye akabari. Yakuye udufaranga.
Thank God. I had no choice. They had my kids. No.
Naguhitamo nari mfite bari bafite abana banjye.
Fault.
Ntugire
I knew
ikibazo.
you'd come back for me.
Nari mbizi kuzangarukira. No money yaraje maze yararashwe no money. Araswe na King.
I'm sorry.
Ndabarire.
I tried to be loyal.
Ngiye gukora uko nshoboye kuba royo. Ndira. Biranze. I tried to be loyal. Ngerageje uko nshoboye. Biranze. Shing.
Inspector, this is Norman.
Inspector.
I know the police have been after Hansan for some time.
Uyu ni Norman ndabizi ko Angsani yakurikiwe n'abapolisi igihe kirekire.
Singh carried out a series of murders and tried to frame
Shing yicaga
Hansan.
abantu akabeshyira Angsani.
Chance.
Kumbe wawe ufunira inyuma arimo arabyumva.
Millions.
Norman yaragiye kugenda maze asigaye yifatiye kuri kasete.
Han kept them hidden because he knew he couldn't trust anyone. They're in the
Yakomeje
old building.
kwisa Shing
Han will have to talk sooner or
akishima
later.
Norman
If Singh gets hold,
n'umwizeraga.
he's going to use them to reinforce his triad activities.
Yagomba gukoresha Norman kugira ngo akore ibyaha bye bakeka nako gukoresha Angsani kugira ngo akore ibyaha bye batazavuga ko ari we.
Has recommended you. She says you're going to help us find the gems. I assume that's correct.
Uyu noneho biranejeje. Shing ndabizi arimo arashaka za diyama mumfashe dushaka izo za diyama umva nyakubahwa aho gushaka umuntu warenganye ufitwe n'ikiyebe mumfashe dushake za diyama.
I must emphasize clearly, this will not be easy by any means. You can still back out if you want to. I can't force you to go.
Ntabwo nabatiriza kugenda.
Secret.
Gusa muramutse mwemeye mwamfasha tukareba ahantu ibintu bigira tukagira.
You can check it out.
Okay. In the meantime, I'll organize the necessary reinforcements and meet up with you there. And don't...
Igihe kitari cyakure muramutse mumenya aho bari nako nge nakoranya abapolisi banjye tukareba ko twagiyeho tukagira.
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubahwa. Niko
We
bimeze.
shan't betray your trust in us. You can rest assured.
Thank you. No further questions?
Ahindi
Well,
bibazo.
good luck. Thank you.
Amahirwe n'imigisha.
Be careful.
Bagiye gushakisha Shing. Amahirwe n'imigisha. Gusa nyakubahwa cyakoze birabwiye ngo nibirinde kurushaho. Angsani naguhitamo yari afite nawe. Ibi byabereye byinshi imbere ye, ibi byari byinshi. Diyama yagomba kubarangira aho ziri. Ko bakaje aho diyama ziri. Aho diyama ziri katirori. Ndani mu kizu gisa naho cyari gituwemo n'itongo ririmo hariya. Ayaya. Ayay. Aya. Ayaya. Aya. Aya. Ayaya. Kumbuka yumviriza hanze araba Alex man. Bateye nabo barashaka ipiki. Umuntu baraza nta mikino yari kereka atabonye ibiboro. Alex man nabo baje iyama ngo zirimo hano. Oh. Harimo n'umukobwa wa Angsani harimo n'abapolisi kazi patroli baje kwabo. Monli niwowo dore diyam kiramo. Oh. Alex man wowo kiramo Bwana Shing.
Well, Shing,
Shing
you got what you wanted.
ubonye ibyo yashakaga.
I'm leaving.
Ndagiye.
Sure.
Sawa
You can leave now.
wakwigendera. Sure you can leave now. Wakwigendera. Tangiye kugenda. bamwe baramurashe umusaza arigendeye
You bastard shit!
bamusika abashinga baramwegeye umusaza ntabwo yashoboye kurengaho ntabwo yarenzeho kuba batatu baje Alex Man Cynthia Lasta Munli Cynthia Kani ntabwo ari Lasta na Munli ku ruhande Munli nirwanye bira rimwe muri aya ni Angel Zero na Angeles Cynthia Kani Rakarex musuji hagati baje basi birumviswe nuko gahunda zihinduka ucishe Maria Boss sha Maria Boss singe hagati Maria Boss. Hello. Maria Boss. Maria Boss. Yareme Boss. Boss. Maria Boss.
Hold it there.
Nova uri. Takota la Kabuli. Biranga.
Let's go. Come on.
Boss, get it. Get up. Birachanze. Birachanze para segonde dore abagabo kuru bacika. Yes. Alex Money. Yawena boss. Yacheka. Boss uteranieri babiri. Afite icyegerano. Dore nambara y'umuntu kamukapira ke twako cyane. Boss yako yakuno. Dore nambara. Dore umugabo. Yasi. Kabas. Bantu barafurura. kigero cya shingi 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 kugira ngo shingi 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 ya shingi koga kuri se koga neza se papa data daddy data no shingi kumbe yamaze kurakara umujiji yakawuzanye yakawuzanye n'umujiji mwana we shingi 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 kuri bas bomboni kuri gazi izi ziteka zibara imiburo munge barakwereka abakobwa bagiye kwerekera bakamwiza ibica umugabo nawe yarahisemo gupfana nabo yarashe ikintu kiraturika
Some of the most spectacular action sequences of all time were captured on film at 7 p.m. on May 19th, 1989. The three actors, Wu Wai-chung, Lee Choi-fung, and Liu Liang-wai, decided to perform the final stunt sequence themselves.
barakwereka ari watangiye kubavugira babantu ko ari batatu baremeye bajya mu kazi akazi ko kuba batabara gusa bisa naho batashoboye kuba baharenga
With them were seriously injured. On behalf of the company,
barakomeretse bihambaye usibye ko nanone babaye basima ntabwo bashoboye kuba bapfa
a speedy
komereka kuko arahabaye
injuries.
nuko byagenze nuko byagenze ni nako agafilime kagenze mwakoze kuza murabeho turabakunda yari yanga kuva muri the one video library kopi nagukora ko bitemewe yeah DVD VCD ndetse na cassette cyo ashaka cyose turabifite mu buryo bwose bushoboka mu ndimi zose zishoboka Icyongereza Igifaransa Ikinyarwanda byose birahari mwakoze murabeho turabakunda yari yanga yeah